Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer your cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Gemini in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even smoother, but it's always good to have a step-by-step guide to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're switching platforms for better rates or diversifying your holdings, let's dive right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need active accounts on both Coinbase and Gemini, with some crypto balance in your Coinbase wallet. Also, verify that your apps are updated to the latest 2025 versions for enhanced security features like two-factor authentication. Okay, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account via the app or website. Navigate to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 2. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. It's usually right there on the Assets page. Step 3. Enter the destination. This is crucial. Copy the wallet address from your Gemini account. Gemini provides a specific address for each crypto, so double-check it to prevent any errors. Paste it into the To field on Coinbase. Step 4. Specify the amount you want to send. Be mindful of any network fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to updated blockchain protocols. Review the details, and if everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll likely need to approve this via email or an authenticator app. Step 5. Once sent, head over to your Gemini account to monitor the transfer. It should show up in your wallet within minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. A few quick tips to keep things safe. Always use the official apps, watch out for phishing scams, and consider the current market conditions before moving assets. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is key. And there you have it. Your crypto is now on Gemini, ready for trading or staking. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there.